Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Unix programming. In this video we are going to discuss about these commands. The commands are who, sort, find, locate, cmp, unique, diff. Who command is used to list out the users who are currently logged in, and sort is a command used to uh, sort the sort the output based on given conditions. While typing I did a small mistake here. It will sort the output, it will sort the content that is present in a file based on the given conditions. Find, it is used to find the files. And locate also is used to find the files, but it can be also used, the extended functionality to the find is locate. So in find we cannot find the files using the extensions, but here in locate, by using locate command, we can find the files based on the extension. And cmp is nothing but comparison between two files. The command will compare the two files byte by byte, so that it will give the result in byte by byte order only. It will not directly give the the difference, whereas the difference command will differentiate the content between the files. So it will it will give the correct output, the difference between the two files. And unique, it is used to print the unique lines that is present on our file. So these are the commands that we are going to discuss here, and there are some of the commands that I need to tell to you. So for those commands I am going to do some videos fully dedicated to those commands. Those commands are grep, which are exclusively dependent on regular expressions, and sed, stream oriented editor. These two commands are explained in by doing some dedicated videos. So please hold tight till I publish those videos. Those commands are very helpful while you are filtering the output from the file. So let's get started. See here, we are going to start with who command. Who, it will give the users that are currently logged on, and this is the date and time stamp. Here we can see that. And here next command, sort is nothing but sort the output sort the content present in the file based on the given condition. So sort, let me see the file names, some x some y. Okay, I am going to sort. Okay, first we are going to see the content of the file, some x, and here we are going to sort the command, sort the content using the sort command, sort some x. See here, the sorting is based upon the characters. The characters are assigned with some particular ASCII values, so that by comparing the ASCII values of the characters, it is get sorted. And if you want to sort in reverse order, then you can do this. Minus R flag is used. See here again, it got sorted in reverse order. And if you want to sort the content in presence of numbers, or based on numbers, then you can use this sort minus n some x. Here there are no numbers, so that it has been sorted randomly. And if you want to sort the sort the numbers in the reverse order, then you can use this sort minus nr some x. I think this is if we didn't give the numbers, it will directly take the ASCII values for sorting purpose. And this is how the sort command will work. And here find is used to find the files that we had discussed right now. Find and your file name. See here, if the file is present in our current directory, then it will print the output of the file that you have entered. Some y. sorry, some y. See, it has been printed in our directory, so it printed the file name. See, both the sumx and some y present on our desktop folder, so that it printed our the file name. So that is how the find command is used. And locate. At here find, by using find command we can only find the files only, but if you don't know the name of the file but you know the extension of that file, then you can use this locate utility in order to find the file. So locate, if I want to find some Python file, let us take that example. Locate .py space locate space dot, your extension, place your extension there and hit enter. See, these are the Python files that I had in my system. So these are the Python files that we got, and I am clearing it. Okay, and CMP. So let me check it out. CMP some x some y. Comparison, end of file on some y after byte 37 line 2. Some x cat some y. Let me do this. See here, the comparison is done byte by byte. See, this is the output that we will get if you use comparison command. If you use diff command some x some y, it will perfectly distinguish the text that is differentiating in two files. See here, I used hi guys, and here somewhere where it is, okay, and here again I used hi guys. These two lines are present in both files commonly, but whereas this line is taken as input in extra, so that the extra line has been printed like this. So this is how the difference command will be used. And here unique, it will print the unique lines only. If you have any repetitions, then it will delete the repetitions, like it will delete that repeated lines. So in order to do that, you need to specify with -d flag. And some x. See here, some x consists of two lines as same, hi guys and hi guys. Let me check it out. Wait a minute. Unique -d some x some y. We are going to print the unique lines, the same lines that are present both in some x and some y file. Okay, wait a minute. I think I need to redirect the output to some other file, some y to here. If you type greater than symbol, then it is and redirection operator. The output will be redirected to some z. Okay, cat some z. Sorry, why it has not created anything. Okay, let me check my history. What is okay, where is it? Unique -g. Okay, unique -c some x. See, it will print the count, and if you got any repetition lines, then it will automatically increment the count. So this is how the unique command will work. And if you want to know any more functionality related to that file, that unique command, then you can go with man command. Man, what is that? Unique. Okay, unique is the command. See, this is the thing that we can get the help from our Linux system. So this is what all I got for this video. I hope you like watching this video. Please do subscribe and like the video in order to reach the video to more people. It will help me to do more videos, and it will give me some motivation. Thank you guys. Have a